everyone, Mark, owner of Homestead Window Treatments here at our completed project in Lloyd Harbor. I don't know if you remember, but a few months back we took a video in this very space. We met with our customer. Our customer moved into Lloyd Harbor in 2001, loves to garden but has not been able to enjoy her yard. As you can see with the fading on her porch, it really gets beat up by the sun, and I'm pretty hot right now. So as of today, our homeowner could now enjoy her backyard with just the press of a button. And as you can see, this huge 20-foot space, wide and projecting, we have this shade that starts at our rooftop and is going to cover this entire deck. You can also see that we have lighting here on each of the beams, and it even has a dimming feature. So our customer really, in a matter of just from yesterday not being able to enjoy her yard to today, she can enjoy it in 3 seasons. So if you do have any interest in us updating your outdoor space, we do outdoor as well. Feel free, reach out. We'd love to discuss your project.